I'm Professor Dave, and you need a job.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
Career and professional life is probably the area where Americans and Italians differ the most. Many Americans are highly ambitious, climbing a corporate ladder and seeking dominance in the business world. Some are entrepreneurial, working unfathomable hours to create something that's their own. Italians are typically not like this. A career path is chosen early on, right around the time of enrolling in university, or even earlier, and is chosen somewhat arbitrarily for some, unless joining a family business. Most Italians do not change their careers throughout their lives, and they regard them merely as a means to survive, valuing family and leisure time much more than professional growth. This is evidenced by shops shutting down for nap time all over the country every afternoon, or making their own strange hours, which would be unheard of in fast-paced American cities. But everyone needs a job, so let's go over a few common ones for Italians and Americans alike. Il professore, il dottore, l'ingegnere, l'autista, l'allenatore, il dentista, l'architetto, l'attore, il musicista, il banchiere, il benzinaio, il cantante, il giornalista, il cuoco or lo chef, l'elettricista, l'idraulico, il giardiniere, il postino, il calzolaio, il maestro, il macellaio, il salumiere, il fruttivendolo, il pescatore, l'agricoltore, il poliziotto, il pompiere, il chimico, il fotografo, il programmatore, il veterinario, il regista, il sarto, il commesso, l'infermiere, l'interprete, il meccanico, l'orefice, il parrucchiere. Of course, as we progress through this modern age, the American dream and the cutthroat attitude it sometimes produces has infiltrated Italy and other countries to some small extent, but many Italians will never change. Which way of life is correct? Both have their merits, but if I were surrounded by Italian food all the time, I would take a little more time off of work myself. Now, go get a job, you freeloader. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.